Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome to our brand new channel. Today, we have something really special lined up for you. We're going to explore 10 heartfelt ways to express your love to that special someone in your life. Whether it's a romantic partner, a family member, or a close friend, these tips will help you convey your feelings in a meaningful way. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Handwritten letters. The first way to express your love is through the timeless art of handwritten letters. Grab a pen and paper and pour your heart out. Share your thoughts, memories, and emotions with your loved one in a way that texting just can't replicate. Number 2. Thoughtful gift. Show your love with a carefully chosen item that reflects your loved one's interests and preferences. It could be a book they've been wanting, a personalized piece of jewelry, or even a DIY gift that you've put your heart into. Number 3. Acts of service. Sometimes actions speak louder than words. Doing something special for your loved one, like cooking their favorite meal, taking care of chores, or surprising them with breakfast in bed, can be a beautiful way to express your love. Number 4. Quality time. Quality time is essential in any relationship. Dedicate uninterrupted moments to your loved one, whether it's a romantic date night, a family game night, or simply cuddling on the couch with a movie. Number 5. Verbal affirmations. Don't underestimate the power of verbal affirmations. Telling your loved one how much they mean to you, complimenting their qualities, and expressing your love verbally can make a significant impact. Number 6. Surprise messages. Get creative with surprise messages. Leave love notes in unexpected places, send sweet text messages during the day, or record heartfelt video messages to brighten their day. Number 7. Acts of kindness. Small acts of kindness can go a long way. Holding the door, offering a helping hand, or being there in times of need are all ways to show your love through everyday actions. Number 8. Support and encouragement. Support and encouragement are crucial in any relationship. Be there for your loved one during their ups and downs, offer a listening ear, and provide a shoulder to lean on. Number 9. Surprise dates. Plan surprise dates or outings to keep the spark alive in your relationship. These unexpected adventures can create lasting memories and show your commitment to keeping things exciting. Number 10. Remembering special occasions. Always remember and celebrate special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, and milestones. Small gestures on these days can make your loved one feel truly cherished. So, there you have it, 10 heartfelt ways to express your love. Remember, it's not about grand gestures. It's about the sincerity and thoughtfulness behind your actions. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.